Hey there, everyone. This is JV here from JVIT, and thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to say I'm very excited for this presentation. In fact, over the next couple weeks, we're diving into a series on how to properly back up your computer. We're going to explore both cloud-based and non-cloud-based solutions, and this is just going to be so much fun. Just know that these backups, these proactive solutions, are things that could save you both time, money, and really a lot of heartache. So I'd encourage you, stay tuned in, check out each one, and just know it's not a one-size-fits-all. So today we're going to explore a product called Carbonite. This is a cloud-based solution. It does come with a monthly subscription fee. You get to pick depending on which one you want. And let's just dive into it together, see what they have to offer. Alright everyone, so this is Carbonite's website, and if we take a look, we see right up front that they've got a couple different options. There's one to protect your business, and two to protect your home. Now, let's go ahead, let's select the home option, just because that's probably what most people are going to select here. And the one thing I will say about Carbonite is that they communicate really well. If you take a look, they have different options for a single computer versus multiple computers, one or more servers, or even people who need to comply with HIPAA regulations, different businesses and people in the medical field. So it's pretty neat. That's something to consider, all depending on what you need. But let's go with the one that a lot of people are probably looking at, self-included. I have a single computer. As we take a look, at first it gives you some basic information on the plans about cloud backup, encryption type, all this good stuff. But let's just go buy now, and we'll see a little more. And what we see here is that we've got a few different plans for a single computer. The basic plan, which is unlimited cloud backup. Certain people and companies charge you per the amount of storage you're going to keep with them, even if you don't use it all. So that's kind of the tough thing about certain companies, you guys, is they might say, okay, it's this much for 50 gigabytes of storage, and you never even come close to that. Or it's this much for 200 gigabytes, and you never even come close to that. For one of my friends, I know this sounds like a familiar and painful conversation. So the cool thing about this is it's $6 a month before tax, and you get to use as much or as little as you'd like, which is kind of cool. Now, the Plus package, this is the one that I actually have. It includes external hard drive backup, which I'm going to be getting soon, and automatic video backup. Now, this is big, you guys, especially for people who do things like me. These YouTube videos. I'm making videos, sometimes more than one, every week. Either way, a lot of different video files. And something to consider is that this basic package doesn't automatically upload your video files to the cloud, but this Plus one does. So basically the way that Carbonite works is any of these plans, whether basic, Plus, or Prime, you install the Carbonite client, which ends up looking like this little guy right here. And this is what it looks like. It's currently backing my machine up. It's pretty close to being done. It's been running for a while now. But yeah, so you install this client on your computer, and you say, okay, automatically back up my machine, which is great. So what happens? At first, it has to do a big backup because it's getting acclimated to your computer. Kind of think about it like a first date. You're getting used to each other. So there's a lot to take in. And then after that, what happens is once you have that baseline, anytime a new file is saved on your computer, whether that's a picture, document, PDF, song, photo, you name it, anytime your computer detects a new file like that and you connect it to the internet, it automatically backs it up to the cloud. So if right now it's 5:53 p.m. Eastern, so if God forbid my computer were to take a dive right now, never be able to turn on again, whether I got it repaired or I got a new machine, all I'd have to do is I get this new computer, this new install, I put the Carbonite program back on the computer, and instead of setting it to back the machine up, I say, hey, that backup you had as of Tuesday at, I guess what was 5:53 p.m., instead of backing it up, put it in reverse and put all my files back. And it's pretty tremendous because what it does is it gives you the option to either put them all in one place or to put them back in the same file structure as they were before. Meaning that if you have it set up that way, see all these letter folders, base slapping, Mac documentation, Bible reading, all this good stuff. Basically, you could set it to all go to one area, like in your documents, or you could set it to go in the exact same structure. So everything that's in letter or this folder, base slapping, Mac documentation files, it all goes back to exactly where it was. So that's a really neat utility. Another plus of Carbonite is that they actually make an app. So whether you have an Android or iPhone, you can install their app and you can access your files from anywhere. So if you're traveling, you're on the go, you're even just away from your computer and you're like, man, I really wanted to work on that, or I really wanted to look this up. All you do is you open up that app, you open up the backup that you did, and then you're able to view your files on the go. It's pretty tremendous. So yeah, you guys, that's Carbonite in a nutshell. One more thing, they do give discounts depending on the number of years that you're giving. 2 years at 5% and 3 years at 10%. So something to consider as well. And yeah, that's about it. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. You've been watching the Carbonite edition of JVIT. And I just want to say real quick, I'm not affiliated with Carbonite, so I don't get any kind of kickback for this. This is just me saying, hey, this is a good solution. It's probably a really good fit for some of you, and I just want to let you know about it. So let me know what you think in the comments section below. If you like this one, if you think you've got another idea that might work better, again, it's not a one-size-fits-all. Maybe your solution will be perfect for the next person watching this video. So get a next person watching this video. That would be awesome. Yeah, I want to say thank you so much. I love you guys. Really appreciate your love and support. Couple of reminders, the 2017 MacBook giveaway is still going on. We're at 62 subscribers, which is tremendous. So, it's climbing. Thank you so much for just inviting people, becoming part of the JVIT community. And yeah, again, once we hit 100, one of them subscribers is getting picked to receive this 2017 MacBook, which I've been dying to give away. I'm so excited for this. Next, a few things. You're going to see some links in the description below for Amazon products. These are products that I use personally, and so basically now I'm an Amazon affiliate, which is kind of cool. So anytime you click on one of those links and then purchase something from Amazon, as a result of it, I get a kickback for directing traffic to Amazon. This isn't something that comes from you, but it's something that comes from Amazon, which is pretty cool. To learn more about it, check out their website. Number 2, you're going to see something else in the comments section. You got a very dear friend, Esther Moscoso, and she actually sells these these cool little things to support her family's ministry and mission in Peru, where she's from. So click on that below if you want to give to a cause that's fantastic and run by some really good people. Then yeah, that's the one. Otherwise, I feel like there's something else I didn't want to share with you. Well, a few things. One, so, and I know this is going on long, so I'd encourage you that if you haven't at this point, go ahead and give a thumbs up, subscribe to the video, and also share it with somebody who you think could use this information. I'm going to be chopping so much of this up because I'm kind of ranting right now, but I've got so much that's exciting going on in my head. Basically, this gets back to the idea that JVIT is founded on the life and love of Jesus Christ, and he urges us to be generous. And so what we're gonna do is we're doing something really cool. Like, there's a project that has to do with technology, but also with people, and it's gonna be this thing called Take Back the Internet. It's very exciting. I'm just gonna give you the name of it right now. I'm not gonna share much about it. For those of you that know my story, maybe you've got an idea of where this is going, but just know that it's going to be really tremendous, and this is going to be an intangible thing that's going to change a lot of lives, and so I'm excited to be a part of it. So keep an eye out for Take Back the Internet. Subscribe and share the channel so more people subscribe to get increase your chances of getting that MacBook, which would be awesome. And number 3, I feel like there should always be a third thing. Yeah, I got it right now. Oh yeah, you're in for a surprise tomorrow.